If you want to hard reset your Samsung Galaxy A17 via recovery mode, then you will have to prepare the USB cable and you will need to connect your phone to your computer. But before we do that, what you need to do is turn off your phone. So let's go through quick settings to this power button over here, and we're gonna press power off. We need to wait for the phone to completely shut down, and once that happens, you can prepare the cable. And you will have to press and hold the power button and volume up button at the same time. Once you start pressing these two buttons, you want to quickly connect the cable and connect your phone to the computer. And once you see the Samsung logo, you have to just hold volume up so you can release the power button. So let's get right into it. We're gonna press and hold the power button, volume up, and then quickly connect the cable. And then once you see the Samsung logo, just hold volume up. And now we just need to keep holding this volume up button until we see the recovery mode. There we go. Now we can release the button. Over here, we navigate in this menu by using volume up and down. And we want to go to wipe data / factory reset. Confirm your choice by pressing the power button. Over here, go to factory data reset and confirm once again with the power button. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.